Mission, vision, and improvement. The demographic of North Ridgeville City Schools. We are a public K through 12 large suburban setting school district. We have a total enrollment of 436 students. Our attendance rate is 95.7%. We have a mobility of students moving in and out of the district of 4.1%. And we have implemented a positive behavioral interventions and support program within and throughout the district. Our mission, vision, and core values of North Ridgeville City Schools. Our mission, North Ridgeville City Schools, an innovative and collaborative district, focuses on the development of the whole child to ensure success. Our vision is empowering students to design their preferred future, and our core values throughout our district include Ranger Strong, which is service, teamwork, responsibility, ownership, necessity, and goals. The measurability of vision through the use of a strategic continuous improvement plan. North Ridgeville City Schools measures its progression towards its mission and vision through the utilization of the strategic continuous improvement plan. Within the plan, strategic impact indicators are provided with quantifiable objectives. Our strategies addressed within our SKIP, which is what we call it, includes district leadership team, building leadership team, and teacher-based team purposes, focus instruction utilizing the current Ohio standards, assessment and data, curriculum mapping, benchmark assessments, and PBIS through Ranger Strong. Our SKIP aligns with our National Educational Leadership Preparation Standards Component 1.1. Program completers understand and demonstrate the capacity to collaborate, evaluate, develop, and communicate a school mission and vision designed to reflect a core set of values and priorities, as well as Component 1.2, which states program completers understand and demonstrate the capacity to lead improvement processes that include design, implementation, and evaluation. The 6 strategies addressed in the SKIP are considered manageable according to Coase in the article Developing a Transformational School Vision, Lessons from Peer-Nominated Principals. These purposefully driven strategies serve as a structure to create coherent and focused professional learning communities to drive instruction throughout the district. So this is an example of our SKIP. So our SKIP aligns with research. As stated by Huffman in the article, The Role of Shared Values and Vision in Creating Professional Learning Communities, more established communities use a cohesive linear approach to developing the vision that incorporates staff development sessions, multi-level discussions, regularly scheduled meetings, and a timeline that offered adequate time for consideration, reflection, revision of the major areas and concerns. So in our SKIP, we have our strategy. So this is an example. Our current Ohio standards related to formative common assessment and relevant professional development will be used for each grade level and for each course to ensure consistent and focused instruction. So within this, we have a strategy impact indicator that measures our progression towards the goal. And throughout the school year, it puts us in different levels that we should be meeting. So it gives us September and August goal, a September goal, a September-October goal, October through May, and October through May of the following year. So down below, it includes our actions that we can take to progress towards this goal. So this, just like in the article, it includes staff development. This was designed with all stakeholders, so teachers, board, community, school leaders, as well as teachers. This was a multi-level discussion. This was not created over one singular conversation. And within these documents, there are regular scheduled meetings to ensure the progression towards meeting the strategic impact indicator. So the utilization of the Ohio improvement process, the North Ridgeville City Schools does not utilize the Ohio improvement process. Rather, each building develops a strategic continuous improvement plan that meets their individual needs in order to align and achieve the mission, vision, and core values of the school district. So reflection. Empowering students to design their preferred future is our vision. So data-wise, we have increased our graduation rate from a D to an A over 5 years. We have increased high schoolers and middle schoolers taking College Credit Plus courses. We've increased our number of gifted students, and we have increased middle schoolers receiving high school credit in math by 50%, while grade excelling nearly 300 students. We have improved our gap closing from an F a year ago to a B. We have scored consistently above the average for reading and math based upon National STAR assessment, and quadrupled the number of students receiving AP credit while increasing the average AP score over the past 4 years. Technology-wise, we have gone to a one-to-one technology for students in grades 3 through 12. We have STEM electives in grades 5 through 8, and we have doubled the enrollment at Ranger High Tech Academy, the only public STEM school in Lorain County, in just 1 year. So our values are we are innovative, collaborative, we develop the whole child, engage and excel, and engage with community partners to ensure that students are on the path to their preferred future. In terms of equity, we have STEM electives including the Fab Lab, coding, video production, Lorain County Joint Vocational School, advanced placement courses, College Credit Plus, partnership with NASA, foreign languages, music and band, gap closing on state report card from an F to a B, meaning that subgroups are growing at an accelerated rate, and we have integrated sports for students with disability. Our community includes Ranger Strong, community learning partnerships at Ranger High Tech Academy, Key Club, Student Council, and National Honor Society. So the vision is communicated through to the district by a written rubric. So the written vision provides principals with an explicit framework or resource to guide specific transformative school improvement. And our vision is communicated to the community through our district website, board meetings displayed on banners and newsletters throughout the community, and beginning of the school year convocation. So a vision must be communicated in and outside the institution in order to inspire and motivate stakeholders to willingly contribute their valuable resources to enable realization of the vision. A vision then is a mental picture of what lies at the end of a road never traveled before and conveys the future status of the institution after the journey. So improvement process, what I see can improve in our vision process is professional development. Though there is a vision that is continually monitored, for example, throughout the strategic improvement plan, a plan cannot be executed though without the thorough understanding of its components. So from the perspective of a second-year teacher, I'm still trying to understand how to be effective regarding teacher-based teams, data analysis, assessments, progress monitoring, etc. A more established professional learning community dedicated to the support of new educators regarding the execution of this vision would allow for all stakeholders to make steady progression towards the outlined objectives. And here are my references.